Hey everybody, I'm doing another video this morning to let you guys know how I'm actually doing and how last night went. Um, Last night was actually the first night I was able to get a full night's rest, considering I went to bed probably about 2 o'clock in the morning. And well, I ended up sleeping in so long I missed my pills in the middle of the night, and I was a little bit late taking my pills this morning also, okay? Just a little while ago, actually. So, anyways, that's fine. I went ahead and took my pills. But anyways, I don't really have that much pain today, okay? I did wake up a little bit nauseous and everything, but overall, this morning has not been a bad day at all. Now, I am going to tell you, my jaw is giving me a lot of problems right in here and right here. It's like where it's hinged, and then the very back of my throat at the top. But, you know, yesterday was so bad, I was having so many problems with sound that I had to go in my own bedroom and lock the door for a long time, just so I wouldn't hear anything. Today, I'm not like that so far. So, anyways, I think everything is starting to come together. I did end up cooking 3 eggs for breakfast a little bit ago, and that worked out pretty decent. I'm still drinking water, but it still does hurt to speak. And if I speak very long, it hurts. So there's the downside on that. Now, I don't know. I can breathe really good today. I mean, super good today. I got out of the shower and I just felt so refreshed. It wasn't bad at all. But anyways, I will go ahead and give you an update video later tonight, let you know how my days actually went. But if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel out quite a bit. So, you all have a great day, and I'll let you know how everything's going this evening. Thank you. Hey everybody, I'm going to do my nightly video here. Give you an update on how I'm doing. My throat is pretty sore right now. Right in this general area right in here has been swelling up for the past couple hours or so, and it's got pretty uncomfortable. My jaw hinges for probably the last 5 hours, both sides hurting really bad. This side here more than anything, along with the earache. So first part of the day, I was doing pretty good. Second part of the day, and not so good. On a good note, I can breathe really good through my nose. On a bad note, my jaw is still pretty sore. I am doing better though. I have felt good today for the most part. I know it's a big difference from even, 2 days ago. So, anyways, I'm going to be going to bed early tonight. So I'm going to see if I can get another full night's rest. And I'll let you know how that went. In the morning, I'll give another update video. So you all have a great night. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, because that does help my channel out quite a bit. And you all have a great night. Take care.